Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you an SG30 stump grinder for your mini skid steer. It's going to fit an MT55, going to fit MT85, MT100, MT120s, L23s, L28s. Guys, this unit works very well. We do have a rental demo kit. You will need a 14 pin for this. I'm going to fire this up and show you everything works. Here we go. There you go, guys. You got any questions, 814-658-3066. Remember, we take the guesswork out of it because we are one of the only people to hook stuff up and show that it works the way it's supposed to. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.